Below is a map of Northwest showing destination towns or cities and interleading roads. Map of Northwest showing national roads leading to towns or cities. Right, now we have a map, so we have a bit of steps that we need to follow when looking at a map. One, remember, scale, true north, using keys and reading the rest of the information. So scale, there is the scale. Once you see the scale, you have to ask yourself, what type of scale is this? And this is actually a bar scale, right? It has a bar and then it is something written on it. That is a bar scale. A ratio scale will be written like this. It will be a number dot dot another number, right? So that would be a ratio scale. This one is a bar scale. Now, you don't move on without saying, how do I then, now that I know who you are a bar scale, how do I read you? And you don't move on without a ruler. And I just realized I do not have a ruler. What you do is you place your ruler and you measure here to up to 20, and you say, let's say this is like 3 millimeters. So it means that 3 millimeters on the drawing is equal to 20. Let's look at the unit of measurement. It's included there, kilometers. And this will be the scale, or you can read it from anywhere else. At the bottom it's miles. So if you say this one is 5 millimeters, so that would be 5 millimeters in miles. So that one would be 5 millimeters is equal to 29 miles. See how you do that? And then you can measure there from 0 to 40, and you can say, oh, I can use, I say 1 centimeter is equal to 40. That's 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter is equal to 40 kilometers, right? Or you can use that scale as well as measuring from 0 to 40 in miles, or measuring the whole thing from 0 to 80, and you measure there and you get the measurement of the ruler and is equal to 80 kilometers, and that would be the measurement of that would be the scale. So you use that. Okay, so now we're coming to finding the true north, and we're given the north there. It's facing up, so north is upwards. That means south is downwards, west this side, east this side, and we're good. Then we have a key. They're saying there, destination towns or cities are marked as a rectangular box. Written so there they are: Uppington, Kimberley, Bloemfontein, Durban, Polokwane. They are the destination, and National Road is marked with a smaller box and with an N inside. There they are with different numbers, meaning different roads. So N17 is a different road from N14 there. Okay, so now we can read the rest. We have Northwest there. So this is Northwest Province. This is Northern Cape. Also, this is Northwest Province, and these are neighboring provinces, and that's a neighboring country there, Botswana. As you see, Gaborone Francis there is in Botswana. And then we have Limpopo, where Tabazimbi is in Limpopo, and we have Durban, which is in KZN, and we have Gauteng, tiny little Gauteng over there causing chaos, and so tiny. Okay, identify the type of scale used in the map. Hello, bar scale. See why it's important? Bar scale, and I'm going to answer that. I don't know why, but I'm in the mood to write this down. So that is a bar scale. And then we have name the province that lies east of Northwest. So this is Northwest, so the east side will be Gauteng. So you'll find Gauteng there, 1.3.2. I see Gauteng. What else do you see there? Name the province that lies east of Northwest. There's Northwest. This is Northwest. On the east side of Northwest, I'm seeing Gauteng right there on the east side of Northwest. Durban is... okay. I'm just going to leave it at Gauteng. Write down the number of destination towns. Identify the national roads passing through Vryburg. Let's identify the national roads passing through Vryburg. Vryburg has 2 national roads passing through it. So N17 passes through it, and N14, that must be a very booming town. You know, that kind of traffic going through it with good national roads. Whew, I want to be that town. Okay, so that would be N17 and 14. N17 and N14. Right, and then we have write down the number of destination towns or cities shown on the map. They said that we find them in the rectangular box written there. So definitely Vryburg is not a destination town because it's not boxed. It's not like in the key. So I'm starting there with Uppington. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. I'll go with 7. All right. And my darlings, that is the end of question 1. See you in question 2. Bye.